Hello book reading friends. Today we're going to read a Piggie and Elephant book named Elephants Cannot Dance by Willems, and look for more Piggie and Elephant books in Kids Book Buddy. And let's start reading. Elephants cannot dance. Girl, let's dance. I can teach you. I am teaching all my friends. I would love to learn how to dance, but elephants cannot dance. You are kidding me. No. Look it up. Page 11. Gerald, it does not say that you can try. You are right, Piggie. I can try to dance. I will try to dance. Zip. Let's dance. Ooh. Okay, let's go. Jump with me when I count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Jump. You were a little late on the jump. I was a little late on the jump. We will try again. We will try again. Move your arms this way. The opposite side. We will try again. We will try again. Lift your leg this way. We will try again. We will try again. Up, up, down, down. Spin, spin. Stop, stop. Forward, forward. Backward, backward. Wiggle waggle. He's doing the opposite. Robot and now wiggle waggle. Wiggle waggle. Robot walk. Robot walk. Enough. I have tried and tried and tried and tried and tried. Go, go, go. But I am an elephant. An elephant just cannot dance. Oh, flop. Oh, Gerald. Hell, oh. We are ready to learn some moves. I'm sorry, I cannot teach you now. My friend is sad. Silly, we do not want you to teach us. We want to learn the elephant. Teach me, please. Me too. Me 3. More feeling. Keep trying. You are getting it. Grr, gone, grr, 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 gone, grr, gone, grr. Look for the shaking pigeon. Bye-bye. Hi, I'm going to show all of the Piggie and elephants I'm going to read. And please look for the link below in the description. And I'll show some. So I'm going to read Elephants